Assalamu alaikum. I will be presenting on the hackathon project that I did for the PEC Generative AI training. My project was basically MindAnchor, which is a cognitive reframing companion. The idea was that millions of people struggle with negative thinking patterns, and because of whatever happens in their daily life, sometimes because of a stray sentence said by someone. So you often hear things that are very demotivating and that can lead to thoughts such as I'm a failure, nobody cares, they all hate me, and stuff like that. So these cognitive distortions basically affect mental health, self-esteem, and emotional well-being. For this reason, I decided to make a chatbot, which is basically which is called MindAnchor. So it is an AI-powered journaling assistant. So it detects common distortions, common phrases that are depressing or that are demotivating to oneself in journal entries or generally in chats, and it reframes these negative thoughts using cognitive behavioral techniques. Basically, reframes these negative thoughts into positive thoughts, and offers empathic affirmations such as reframing them into positive ideas or affirmations such as motivating or inspiring the individual who feels depressed regarding making them focus on aspects that are positive to them. And additionally, you can chat with this AI bot in 4 different personalities. One is a standard psychologist or psychiatrist that you would find, a normal therapist that you would find in a hospital. You can also chat with an AI bot to receive answers as Sherlock Holmes, as a Shaolin monk, kind of like think Karate Kid teacher and sensei, that sort of thing, and Gen Alpha Tech Talk therapist, basically somebody from Gen Alpha who's trying to respond to you. So this solution actually targets the UN SDG 3, which is basically good health and well-being, and it targets the mental health area. The technology used for this, at the back end, I used Grok LLM API and the Gemma 9B LLM model for fast inference and for reasoning, Python for the logic and prompt engineering, and API handling using requests. And at the front end, I designed it using Gradio and then deployed it on Hugging Face. So this is the generic system diagram. Basically, the user input is transferred to Gradio, from which it is transferred to the backend for the distortion detection and prompt from error. And then it is fed to the LLM using the Grok API, and then the reframed response and affirmation is output back to the Gradio. So the CBT distortion, basically the CBT distortion detection is done via the simple NLP patterns using key phrases, identifying key phrases from the user input. And then random affirmations are presented to the user to keep responses fresh and uplifting, and it uses a very lightweight logic. For the live demo, you can see here that, okay, I've already done this, so let's refresh this. When you load the app, this is what it will appear like. So by default, the clinical psychiatrist is selected, but you can make use of any of these personalities. You can choose a personality at the beginning, and then you can do whatever chat that you want. So let's select the Gen Alpha, and let's select a very depressing sort of phrase. And let's ask it to reframe the thought, and you can see that it gave the output in very Gen Alpha casual slang, and basically trying to uplift the other person. And you can see over here the reformation. Okay. So you see, instead of everyone hates me, try some people might not vibe with me, but that's okay. It takes all kind to make the world a weird and wonderful place. And instead of useless, try I'm learning and growing every day. Even if I mess up, it's all part of the journey. So for reaffirmations, let's try this with another personality, such as, let's say, the clinical psychiatrist. Very clinical, very nonsensical, very, very sensible, not nonsensical. So this is, you can see the affirmation. This is a random affirmation, sort of a quote at the end for people to feel better. And this is basically the team that I was working with. And thank you.